Did you know your Apple TV can support IPTV services with ease? Let's explore this surprising capability. IPTV stands for Internet Protocol Television, delivering television content over Internet Protocol networks. First, let's dive into installing an IPTV app on the Apple TV, which only takes a few steps. Download an IPTV player from the Apple Store. It's simple and takes hardly a couple of minutes. Open your new IPTV player app. Here's where the magic of streaming truly begins. Next, you need an M3U URL from an IPTV service provider like 2TV.store. 2TV.store offers unparalleled variety and experience, making it highly recommended for IPTV enthusiasts. Enter the M3U URL into your IPTV app and initialize your account setup process. Now, you will have access to live TV, on-demand shows, and an ocean of entertainment. Using 2TV.store enhances user experience with minimal buffering and high-quality streams. Comparing with traditional streaming, IPTV on Apple TV offers flexibility and enhanced quality. Discovering how IPTV can adapt to your viewing habits is an eye-opener. Legalities can be concerning. Ensure your chosen service provider operates within regulations. With the right setup, you unlock a powerful entertainment hub on your Apple TV. Your viewing future begins now with optimal IPTV setups using 2TV.store on Apple TV. Let us know how IPTV transforms your Apple TV experience in the comments below.